Want to listen to more funny sounds? Dirty, clean, dirty, clean. Want to see more groceries change colors? Then be sure to stick around till the end. In the last video, we opened a bag of the Grossery Gang corny chips. In this part of video, we will be opening the Grossery Gang Chunky Crunch. There are 16 groceries inside, and out of the 16, 6 are Rotten Color Change Grosseries.
Let's take a quick look at other parts of this icky cereal box. It has so many fun phrases. Your morning dose of gross has some icky information, and instead of an apple a day keeps doctor away, it says a bowl a day keeps everyone away. Start the day the yucky way. The back side of the box, 16 groceries inside. Who will you find? Includes 4 milk crates and also includes Rotten Color Change Grosseries from cold to mold. Love the details of gooey slimes, nasty molds, and disgusting bugs all over the box.
Let's get all 16 groceries out of this box. Number 1. Our first character is Oozy Muesli Bar. Number 2. Dodgy Donut. Number 3. Leaky Sunscreen. Number 4. Pukey Cookie. Number 5. Barf Bagel. Number 6. Putrid Pancakes. I believe this is a color changer. Let's take a look. Oh yes, it is. Let's put the color changers into milk crates so that we can easily tell them apart from others. Number 7. La Crusty Croissant. Number 8. Stinky Cheese. Number 9. Putrid Pizza. Number 10. Tasteless tart. Number 11. Horrid hamburger. This is our first duplicate. Number 12. Chunky chili sauce. Number 13. Hairy pear. A moldy Finnish grocery from Moldy Veg Collection. Number 14. Burrito. He looks like one of color changer. Let's take a look. Yes, it is. So into the milk crate you go. Number 15. Icky drumstick. Our last grocery, number 16. Fungus fries. So we just saw all 16 groceries. There should be 6 color changers, but I only spotted 2 of them. So let's find some more.
Dodgy donut seems to be one. We have here La Crusty croissant, Pukey cookie, and the last color changer is Oozy Muesli bar.
We got all 6 color changers. Now let's test them out. Here are icy cold and hot water. Test subject number 1, La Crusty croissant.
Ew, he has black molds everywhere. No, he doesn't. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Oh, yes. Oh, no.
Test subject number 2, Dodgy donut.
Cold. Hot. Cold. Hot.
Next, we have burrito. Here is Oozy Muesli bar. Putrid pancakes.
Very cool.
Let's dunk in our last color changer, Pukey Cookie.
Dirty. Clean. Dirty. Clean.
Now let's dunk everyone in.
Let's clean them up. Let's get them dirty again. That was so much fun.
Here are the 6 color changers and the rest of grocery gangs that we got so far. They are super cute, super fun, and super gross. Next, we will be unboxing Yucky Mart and also the Grocery Gang from Series 2. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Goodbye!